Okay, so I welcome every one of you to today's live stream. Holding live on OB Global, OB Live. Okay, OB Live is let me say, OB Live is a live stream platform. Okay, on OB where YouTubers are invited, content creators are invited, to teach. Okay, those who are doing live stream, they are OB, ambassadors. So they go live, they teach all kinds of stuffs about cryptocurrency, and the blockchain, everything about Web3 in general. Okay, so the goal is to make you a better investor. The goal is to make you a better trader. Okay, and to make you a better person and help you to improve your finance. Okay, that is the goal. Okay, to aid blockchain and cryptocurrency adoption, and that is why we are here, doing live stream on OB to teach you guys every day. All right, so if you're watching me now, okay, irrespective of your country, I like to say good morning because I'm live streaming from Nigeria, and here in Nigeria it is 5 minutes past 8 in the morning. All right. So if you're watching me on YouTube, on Crypto News channel on YouTube, probably because you are one of the Crypto News subscribers on YouTube, or you searched for airdrops on YouTube and you found this video. If you're watching me right now, this is will be live stream. Okay, this is a recorded version of a live stream. Okay, I decided to share this with you because I don't want only those who are on OB to benefit. I want everybody to benefit from the live stream. Okay, I want it to reach so many people across the world. So this morning we're going to be talking about airdrop. Okay, so we're going to be talking about airdrop, I like to walk you guys through from the beginning till the end. Okay, from the beginning till the end. So I'm going to be assuming that you're a novice, you don't know anything about crypto. Okay, and if you're a crypto expert, please forgive me. Okay, because I just like to start from the scratch. Okay, I like to start from beginning. Okay, I'm a teacher. I love to teach, and a brief intro about myself is, I'm a Web3 guy, kind of, and more than 80% of my income, comes from the crypto industry. All right, so and I've been in this industry for quite a number of years now. It's been almost 6 years now that I've been here. Okay, so I've worked with a couple of crypto startups in the last few years of my life. All right, so um this morning I like to teach airdrop, okay, because it's like it provides a free entry level for people in the crypto industry. Like someone who wants to invest in the crypto industry, who like to trade in the crypto industry, but has a lot of time, a whole lot of time. Okay, has access to internet, access to electricity power supply, and a lot of time. Because if you are hunting for airdrop, you are not actually supposed to pay a dime to get airdrop. Airdrop is not like that. Okay, airdrop is not like that. So you don't usually pay money. Okay, so you usually pay in form of your time, in form of your energy. That is what you use to pay for airdrops. All right, that is what you use to pay for airdrops. All right, so when you see an airdrop that is asking you for money, like, okay, send bnb, receive airdrop, send eth, receive airdrop, send usdt, receive airdrop, those kind of airdrops, they are likely going to end as scam. Okay, they're not usually legitimate airdrop. So I'm going to be showing you a legitimate ways to hunt for airdrop. It's not really as hard as you guys think. It's not really as hard. Okay, so I can say that for those of you who are in the crypto niche group on WhatsApp or crypto niche group on Telegram, you've been asking a couple of questions like, okay, is there any way I could, you know, get airdrops? Okay, this is for you. And all of you who are in line on Telegram airdrops, all these airdrops bots, Telegram airdrop bots, I can tell you that 99% of them, they are not legitimate. All right. I can tell you that 99% of Telegram airdrops, they are not legitimate. Okay. So you need to pay attention. Okay. You need to pay attention. Airdrop is real. Okay. Airdrop is real. But, in life, there's something called Pareto's principles. Okay, let me Google search that. For those who are not familiar with it, Pareto. I hope I got that correctly. Yeah, Pareto principle. Let's have a look at it. What is Pareto principle? All right. Pareto principle states that for many outcomes, roughly 80% of consequences come from 20% of causes. I'm going to explain that to you. Okay. So other names for this principle are 80-20 rule. Okay. The law of the vital few, or the principle of factor sparsity. Okay. So now, when you look at this from investment perspective, let's see what investor Peter has to say about Pareto's principle. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's have a look. What was this? Okay. So we're gonna have a look now. Here is it. The observation that although there are few many causes for many observed phenomena, it is often the case that a small subset of those causes are responsible for most of the observations. All right. So um, this was developed by an Italian, I think Italian scientist or a philosopher, something like that. I'm not sure. Okay. This principle was derived from the imbalance of land, okay, land ownership in Italy. It's commonly used to illustrate the notion that not things are equal and the minority owns the majority. Okay, that is life. Minority owns the majority. That is the imbalance about life. There is absolutely nothing anybody can do about it. Okay. If you look at crypto in general, okay, blockchain and cryptocurrency came into the world because they wanted to create a balance. Okay, they wanted to create a balance. They don't want minority to control majority. That is the key concept of the blockchain, the key concept of the Web3. They don't want the minority to own the majority. They want everyone to have access to it. Okay, they want everyone to have equal access, equal right, equal opportunity. Yes, you know, the industry provides a level playing ground, but it has gotten to a point that the Pareto principle is now being applied in the industry right now. That's the truth. Okay, because when you say whales, they are the minority that owns the majority of the stake in the industry. You understand that? So it works like that. No matter how hard we try to fight that principle, it is becoming so difficult to fight every century, every decade, every minute. It is becoming hard to fight. It's really a tough principle to break. All right. So, unlike other principles, the Pareto principles is merely an observation, not law. Although broadly applied, it does not apply to every scenario. Well, um, it is hard to say that it does not apply to every scenario, because when you look at the wealth distribution, especially wealth distribution, okay, you discover that 80% of the world's finance, the world's wealth, okay, is being controlled by 20% of the humans in the world. And according to one analysis, it is even fewer. Okay, the wealth of the world is controlled by about 4% of the world population. Okay, so now same thing applies to airdrop, but this is how it applies to airdrops. If you search for legitimate airdrops, okay, and you find legitimate airdrops, okay, when an airdrop is legitimate, it does not necessarily mean that you are going to get those airdrops. It does not necessarily mean that you are going to uh, benefit financially from that airdrop. A legitimate airdrop will experience a surge amount of participants. Then when they draw a raffle, then you might likely not be part of the winners. Okay, or if you're part of the winners, then you are just one of the lucky few that win it. So I want you to have that mindset also when you are hunting for your airdrop every day. Okay. Now let me now explain how Pareto's principle may be applied to airdrop hunting. Now, have it in mind that for every 100 airdrops that you do, only about 20% of them actually come true. Okay. Now let me repeat that. For every 100 airdrops that you find time and participate in, have it in mind that only about 20% of them will actually come true at the end of the day, of the events rather. Okay, so that's one thing you have to have at the back of your mind. Okay, so are you actually enjoying this conversation that we're having about airdrops? Are you enjoying it? Let me know in the comment box if you're enjoying it. Let me know if you've learned something new from me today in the comment box. I'd like to know what you've learned from me also in the comment box. Okay, so but that's the truth about airdrop. That's the truth. We don't have to mince words for ourselves. So let me tell you guys something. In the last 4 years, in the last 4 years in the crypto industry, okay, the truth is that airdrop was a big opportunity to make money in the industry. In the last 4 years, in the last 5 years, okay, more than half of airdrop that you see, they will actually pay you something. But things has changed. Okay, like if in Nigeria we say young don't mature. Like things has really matured really fast in this blockchain technology industry. Things are moving very fast. Okay, so now we now have a whole lot of scam projects. Okay, even this applies to investors. If you are doing ICO, if you are doing if you are buying from Launchpad, you discover that when you invest in 100 projects, only about 20% of them actually come true. Then you make money from that. The rest 80% they are all gone. Okay, so it applies to this industry. Even if you're a trader, sometimes, okay, if you're a trader, you're always buying and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. If you observe closely, if you observe closely, out of 100 coins that you've been trading, it could be that only 2% will actually deliver the right result for you. Okay, it could be that only 2% of actually the right, those coins you are flipping, buy now, sell after 2 weeks, buy now, sell after 3 weeks. If you're into flipping of coins. Okay, so this applies to every area in finance industry. All right, it applies to every area in the finance industry. So don't joke with this principle. You know, it helps you to become realistic so that you don't feel like, man, I've been chasing a job for a while now and I'm not getting anything out of it. No, don't feel like that. As long as you know in your mind that the Pareto principle applies to these things, then you shouldn't have any problem. Okay, you keep pushing, you keep pushing. Even in real life, if you look at things that gave you one of the best breakthrough in life, they are actually 20% of those things that you've been doing. You get it? It applies to stock markets. If you're a stock trader, if you're a stock investor, not only few of your portfolio will actually give you the best return on investments. Life is a joke. It's plays. Life always play. It always life is a comedian, rather. Life is a comedian. It always make jokes out of us. You get it? So be realistic, man. Be realistic about that. So having said all of these things, I've been able to prepare your mind for the best scenario and the worst scenario, as far as this industry is concerned. All right. So now I hope I've been able to do justice to that. All right. So what I want to discuss now, okay, is how you can get those airdrops opportunities. Okay, that's what I want to discuss. I like to discuss with you now. I hope you are ready. Are you ready, guys? So how to get those airdrops is what I want to discuss with you guys. So number one thing you need is a Twitter account. Okay, is a Twitter account. You need a Twitter account. Okay, you need a Twitter account. You need to have an account of Twitter. Okay, so and it doesn't have to be your primary account. It could be a secondary account. Okay, it could be a secondary account, but the account should have maybe a reasonable amount of followers on that account. So that account could be dedicated to airdrops. All right. Then you need a Telegram account. Okay, and that Telegram account could also be dedicated to airdrop hunting. All right. So sometimes you may actually need to have a YouTube channel. Okay, have a YouTube channel. Also, it doesn't have to be your primary YouTube channel. It could be a secondary YouTube channel. Okay, so also a Discord accounts. These are the 4 things that you need if you're going to be hunting for airdrops. Okay, these are the 4 things you need, because the reason why I said that you should not be using your primary account is because you may actually want to work for some crypto projects, some individuals, some influencers, and then when they discover that your account is not having substance, your account is probably littered with airdrops. Nobody will take it seriously. That's the truth. Okay, it's not that airdrop is bad, but if your account is always about tweeting airdrop, retweeting airdrop, until people will know, and you're not likely going to be taken seriously. That's something you have to pay attention to. Okay, that's why I recommend that you use a secondary account, not a primary account. All right. So that said, so when you get on Twitter, okay, use the Twitter hashtag. Okay, hashtag, where is it? Let me switch this to, okay. So you use Twitter hashtag like airdrop. For instance, okay, in the last hour, there has been 534 tweets that used this hashtag. All right. So you click on it. So when you click on it, okay, you can see this these are accounts that usually post about airdrops a whole lot. Okay, a whole lot. You can see a whole lot. So, but you're not going to focus on that. What you have to do now is to go to latest. Latest. Okay, this is latest. So 11 seconds ago, this airdrop was dropped. Okay, what you have to do, follow, fill the form and all that. Okay, so then you scroll a little bit, then you'll be able to find more. Okay, you'll be able to find more just by scrolling down. Okay, you'll be able to find more. Okay, let's see if you can find more airdrops today. Okay, how about this? Okay, 4 members left more. First conference have claim $10, get NFT words. You can click on this and also read the terms, of getting that airdrop. Okay, then you scroll down a bit, and see if you can find more. Okay, that is basically how then you can look for people, those who post consistently about airdrops. Okay, you can look for them. Okay, limited time airdrops, tricky airdrop captains or lens, all of these guys, you should follow them. Okay, follow them, and whenever they make any tweet about airdrop, then you'll be notified. You can check it out if it's something that you like to do. Okay, you can check it out if it's something you like to do. So it is not really as hard as you think. Hunting for airdrop is not really as hard as you may have imagined. Okay, so that is basically, then also you can even use this hashtag like airdrop alerts, something like this. So when you get to media.com now, okay, then you can search for airdrop. Okay, search for airdrops. Every article that is using airdrop as hashtag, okay, then you can search for it. Okay, so under airdrop now, there have been 31,000 stories by 10,800 writers. Okay, it means that there are a lot of writers who are publishing stuff about airdrop. So this is trending. Okay, trending means that it is getting a lot of engagement, kind of. Let's confirm that. Okay, it was published February 14, February 24th. Okay, you can see about 350, 340 claps. Okay, that is why it is trending. Okay, that's why it is trending. So it says autonomous part 2, the airdrop, that's just by the way. So let's go to um let me say Zeta chain testnet airdrop confirmed. Okay, this is for those who like to do testnet, airdrop testnet. Okay, so if it's something you like, you open this article and read the instruction on how to get that airdrop. Okay, Then you have Cola Swap airdrop, gets free 100 cola worth $20. New instant airdrop. Okay, the thing about um Medium, the thing about hunting airdrop on Medium is that uh it's kind of like when people sit down and write article that is worth 1 minute read, 3 minutes read, it's it is more quality than when people just tweet about airdrop on Twitter. I hope you understand that. It is more which is more legitimate than when you just stumble on. There are a bunch of airdrop on Twitter. Everybody can tweet about anything on Twitter, so you have to be more careful. But on Medium, when people actually write about the airdrop they are participating in, it looks more legitimate than those airdrops on Twitter. So we have Flaredex testnet, Flaredex testnet. Probably you have to test the testnet, you know. So you need to have dedicated wallet address for your airdrops. Okay, don't use your primary wallet address for airdrop hunting. Please avoid that by all means. Okay, then you have Bonk airdrop. Okay, Bonk is a popular what's it called? Okay, so airdrop. Bonk is one of the popular meme coins that is trending right now. So you want to like check this out. Okay, this is for those who like to create a node, all these testnet airdrop. So optimism token airdrop guide, you can read about that. Okay, monkey land airdrop token. Okay, you need to go through that also and read about it. But the main thing I've shown you guys is how you can hunt for these airdrops. Okay, that's the main thing I've actually shown you guys today. How to hunt for these airdrops. Okay, so you need to be able to read instructions. You need to be able to read guides, okay, because it's going to help you a whole lot. I always say something that if you don't like to read, if you don't like to read, you may find it difficult to survive in the crypto industry. So if you don't have really have the habits before, then at this stage you need to try and inculcate that habit. Yeah, inculcate that habit. It will help you a whole lot. Okay. So this one is get free Dmail NFC drop. Okay, Dmail, I don't know what Dmail is. Maybe Dmail is for a decentralized email. Okay, then okay, this is still Zeta. You can see that quite a number of people are talking about Zeta chain on Medium. So Amino airdrop gets $100 ammo and daily token drop. Okay, get free Lex token, Gamma exchange confirmed airdrop. Okay, this is probably a new exchange and they're having an airdrop. So these are airdrops that if you participate in them, you should be able to get something out of them. Okay, so get news airdrop using Math wallet. Syndicate airdrop, they raised 25 to $28 million, and now they are doing airdrops. Okay, so because they've raised some money, they may have some cash to distribute to those who participate in their airdrop. All right, so then we have RB Space token airdrop guide. Okay, this is gonna end on March 6th next month. Okay, then Orbital Finance token airdrop guide. So when you see guide on, if you really want to make money from airdrops, I strongly recommend that you stick with Medium. Just create an account on medium.com, create an account with your email and password. Okay, then you're good to go. Okay, you're good to go. Trust me, you're good to go. So every day you go to Medium, you search for the latest. Okay, these are the trending ones, these are the latest ones because 6 hours ago, Monkey Land. It was even Monkey Land that posted about their airdrops. Okay, it was Monkey Land that posted about their airdrops. Okay, then Slex 8 hours ago, Bonk airdrop 10 hours ago. Complete simple quest with up to 25,000 DeFi quest. Okay, this was 11 hours ago. Polydodge airdrop, you know, 12 hours ago, 13 hours ago. All information about Gridex airdrop. So the thing is that when you check out an account on Medium and the account seems to be posting about airdrops consistently, okay, so it makes sense to follow that account subscribe to their email list so that you can get notified instantly whenever they post about airdrop. And also you can also follow my accounts. Okay, this is my account. uh, okay, this is my profile on Medium. Okay, this is my profile on Medium. I posted an article 4 days ago. Okay, you can follow me also, because I don't usually post about airdrops really, but I post about substance, things that you can build on, and make money for yourself in the crypto world. Look at this, cryptocurrency arbitrage in Nigeria, easy money. I wrote an article about that, so you can just go on Medium and check that out. Okay, full tutorial on how to create this wallet. Like I I I publish articles that have substance, how to get crypto job, even when you don't have experience. Okay, the money is the trend. This is how to get it. You know, complete learning guide for new cryptocurrency traders. All right. So like I post about cool stuff on Medium. So just try and check me out. Okay, go on Medium and search for Jenny Aibami Agbola, something like this. Okay, just search for my username on Medium, then you'll be able to find me right there. Okay, can you see? So this is me right there. Okay, this is me right there. Uh, don't forget to don't forget uh, to follow me. Okay, on Medium, and give me a shout out. Yeah. So that's it on Medium. That's it on Medium. Also on Twitter. Okay, don't forget to follow my account on Twitter. Okay, just search for my name or Jenny Aibami on Twitter. You can find me right there and follow me also on Twitter. Okay, so there is something I'd like to share with you also right here on YouTube. Okay, just hold on and pay attention. Okay, you can see yesterday we had 1,490 subscribers yesterday, and today we have 1,500 plus subscribers now. Okay, so this is it. This is one of the yeah. This channel is quite important for your journey in crypto world. That's the truth. Okay, it's quite important for your journey in crypto world. Okay, so because this is where you find insightful videos, insightful content about cryptocurrencies and blockchain, how to get crypto job, videos about crypto arbitrage. I even created a free beginners course for you guys. Look at it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, look at this. A free beginners course for you, comprising how many modules? Okay, comprising 21 videos, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 14 minutes, 6 minute videos that you can watch, and it will help you to become a better trader in the crypto world. So subscribe to the channel now, turn on notification, okay, and start watching those videos. So how do you subscribe to the channel? Search for crypto niche, something like this, crypto niche channel on YouTube, then hit the enter button. All right, so when you hit the enter button, you will see this icon and this icon and this name. Okay, so what do you do next? Okay, the next thing you want to do is to click on this icon, then it will take you right there to the channel. Can you see? To take you right there to the channel. So that is basically how to subscribe and turn on notification on YouTube. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's session on airdrops, airdrop and airdrop and airdrop and airdrop. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's session on airdrop, and I'm going to be seeing you guys hopefully tomorrow. Okay, where we're going to be talking about another interesting and exciting topic. All right, so see you guys and have a fantastic weekend. Bye for now.